Hello Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person, or the person that you're currently dealing with, or yung taong nagbabalik sa'yo, or bumabalik sa inyo. Let's see what's happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you Capricorn. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies na naglilinger sa inyong love situation. Capricorn. Exit plan. Distant. Public image. Okay. Exit plan. Someone wants out but they are not making a move yet. Be prepared for sudden changes, okay? Someone wants to exit the relationship, okay? You don't know yet about this, but someone is feeling that he or she needs to get out. Distant. So far away, physically and emotionally. See if you can rekindle the passion again. Okay, nagfi-fade yung passion sa isa't isa. Magkasama kayo pero parang malayo ang inyong isip at emosyon sa isa't isa. Okay? Nagpapakiramdaman kung okay pa ba ang relationship or hindi. Public image. Worried about appearances. Cannot relax. Conceited. Okay? But someone is thinking about his or her image. Ayaw niyang mahusgahan ng tao or ng pamilya, okay? Ng group of friends or katrabaho na kilala kayong dalawa. Let's see, tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot. Kailangan mag-open up, mag-usap, mag-communicate. Okay. For Capricorn, please. Capricorn. This is your person. Nagpapakiramdaman. Okay. Someone is not faithful or sincere anymore. It seems that someone is parang happy or satisfied sa kanyang achievements but not the relationship. Hindi na masaya ang isa sa partnership. Okay. Okay. Seryoso yung relationship ninyo, okay? Merong totoong pagmamahalan na nangyari. But it seems na nagkakaroon ng problema ngayon. Madaming iniisip ang person ninyo and at the same time worried ka rin sa nangyayari. Hindi mo alam or hindi ka sigurado next day kung anong mangyayari sa inyong dalawa, okay? Nag-iisip or nag-overthink ang inyong person kung ano-ano ang nasa isip, and at the same time ikaw din parang hindi na kayo masaya sa relasyon ninyo, Capricorn. Someone feels that he or she wants to get out from the relationship already. Naguguluhan na siya, okay? Madami kayong issues na kailangan pag-usapan, Capricorn. Hindi sincere ang mga nararamdaman sa isa't isa. May times na okay, may times na hindi. Kailangan nyo mapatunayan sa isa't isa na mahal nyo pa rin at i-revive uli ang inyong pagmamahalan, yung chemistry. Okay? You need some time together na para mag-enjoy kayo. Maybe kailangan yung mag-travel, mag-bonding kayong dalawa, Capricorn. Pag-usapan ninyo kung ano yung problema, yung mga hindi magandang nangyari, ano yung solusyon. Kailangan ng pag-uusap. Okay? And you, Capricorn, is nasa-stress na kayo sa nangyayari about sa behavior ng inyong partner or ng person ninyo. Hindi mo alam kung anong nararamdaman niya. Okay? Kung anong iniisip niya. But both of you feels na parang hindi na ganun kasaya. Okay? Parang hirap na magsumaya ang inyong relationship. Parang pinipilit na lang kasi isa sa inyo ay may problema about his or her image. Anong sasabihin ng ibang tao sa relationship niyo? Hindi na panindigan. Okay? Kung mahal nyo pang isa't isa, kailangan nyo talagang patunayan yun. You have to win the other person back. Okay? For some of you, about sa katayuan, sa buhay, mayroong insecurity sa nangyayari, but the other person is an achiever, successful sa kanyang ginagawa, material things, okay siya, okay? But the other person is so concerned about it, Capricorn. Pero merong tunay na pagmamahal sa inyong dalawa. This is something, a serious relationship or matagal na kayo. Merong hindi pagkakaunawaan, merong give and take, okay? Pero yung isa is hindi sinasabi na express, nahirapan na sa isang sitwasyon or sa sitwasyon ninyo, okay? Someone needs clarity. Someone needs to express his or her feelings, kung anong nasa isip niya, ano yung problema, anong concern, anong issues kailangan pag-usapan, okay? Someone desperately needs an explanation from the other person, Capricorn, okay? You keep on believing or the other person is still believing on your relationship, okay? Kailangan nyo magkaintindihan, kailangan nyo ng support sa isa't isa. Okay? For some of you, there is a concern about money. About loans. Okay? Yung isa kinakaya na lang financially. So, merong insecurity sa nangyayari. Kumbaga, yung relationship is surviving. Mahal yung isa't isa, pero may kailangan kayong pag-usapan, bigyan ng solusyon. Yung mga problema ninyo, yung concern ninyo sa isa't isa. Because it seems for both of you, parang nasa isip nyo lang. Kayo lang nakakaalam ng mga problema nyo sa isa't isa. May concern, pero hindi ma-express, okay? Merong deception, okay, or pangloloko na nangyayari. Okay. Merong mga arguments na nangyayari, okay? Away. Dahil sa hindi pagkakaintindihan, may mga issues about insecurities. The other is successful, kumpara sa isa. And this is something na cause ng insecurities and problema sa isang relasyon. Okay? So Capricorn, kailangan pag-usapan, ibalik yung init ng inyong pagmamahal, yung attraction, kailangan ibalik. Okay? Do something, mag-travel kayo, bonding, pag-usapan, mga concerns or problema ninyo at bigyan ng solusyon. Take time and make time para magkaroon ng make time na mag-usap kayong dalawa ng masinsinan, maybe sa ibang lugar para iba yung scenario, okay, or iba yung scenes, kumbaga iba yung environment, something fresh na makapag-usap kayo ng maayos, pag-usapan ko yung problema, okay. Let's see kung ano pa yung messages para sa inyo, Capricorn. Maybe you are dealing with an air sign, Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini. Okay. Emotions are a natural and necessary part of life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. Okay, that's for you. Passion, a magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at present. Enjoy it. Kailangan lang passion. Kailangan ng passion uli sa inyong relationship. When it comes to matters of the heart, there is no right or wrong. Every choice you make expands your understanding of life and love. Okay, so that's the message for you, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.